nephews, welcome back to my kitchen, Auntie Nell's kitchen, and to my new subscribers, welcome, okay? And I hope you continue to stick around and stay a part of this big happy family. Today, I'm taking my glove off because I have to touch my stop button, and I don't want to dirty up my glove. Okay, today we are going to be working on that Boston butt that's been cooking overnight. Remember, I'm going to take half and make some brown sweet stew, which will be another upload. And right now we're going to make the other half. I'm going to make some pulled barbecue pork. Okay, so give me a moment to do the flip and the swip, and we're going to get started. All right, I have my bowl for what I'm going to be using for my brown sweet stew. And I have my bowl for my trash, for my bone that will hold the bone and the fat. And this is like melt in your mouth tender. And if you want to see what I did, how I, prepped all that, it's in an upload, previous upload. So I need to find this bone, and I want to take my bone out first, I want to do that first. So I want to take this bone right here. And no, the puppy can't have it because pork bones are different than beef bones. Okay, they're not as hardcore. Okay, now you see all the seasonings and everything still on here and all that goodness. So I trimmed away majority of the fat off of this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, and what I'm doing, I'm feeling for any bone fragments like that. And that's what I do. I'm going through here and I'm feeling for any bone that I can feel, and any little fat pieces that I want to get rid of, like that. I want to take that off and throw that to the side. I don't like all that. I don't, that's just my preference about removing this fat. I don't like that. See this? No way, no ma'am, no ham. That has to go. Guys, my sheet room is almost ready, and then I can do some lives from my sheet room. Pull all that fat away from here. Okay? And I go around. And see this broth that's down in here? That's goodness. I poured a lot of it out because I don't need all of it, because I still have a pretty good amount in here. And that's going to keep the meat moist. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to pull it, because I'm going to be I'm going to pull this, really more like going to be shredded barbecue pork. Dusty, go somewhere and sit down. You see how tender it is? Let me show you. Look at that. See how tender that is? It's like baby soft. That way, I try to get all the fat. Because prior to cooking, like I said, I trimmed a lot of fat away. Majority of all the fats. And then I just finish it up. And this makes a lot. And I had asked them, you know, because I have a brisket. Like I said, I'm going to smoke in the morning. So I had to get up early for that. And that's easy because I won't be doing nothing. That's going to take a long time. And I'm not using like a smoker. I'm going to do it in charcoal grill, and I'm going to show you how you do it. Okay, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to throw this over here to the side for my Brunswick stew. And pull this apart some more. Now, more of that over there. Now, okay, I got this from a Brunswick stew. That's a pretty good amount of that. Because a Brunswick stew is going to get some other kind of meat added to it. So I'm going to put this over here. And they got some buns. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little black pepper here. A little black pepper. Let me take a glove off so I can hold my black pepper. I'm going to take this and massage this around in here, and you get that black pepper and that goodness in here. And I made my Brandy brown sugar barbecue sauce. It's in a previous upload to go with this, and they have buns and with this. And I made some baked beans last night. My baked bean recipe is also a previous upload of this. The apron down there. So you want to see that. That's in a previous upload. You can see that recipe. So that's all done for that. I'm just going to put a top on it. I'm gonna do. They put their own sauce on. And that is that for that. And like I said, I had already made the brown sugar barbecue sauce for them. They can put on their sandwiches, and they have some buns. And I made the baked beans last night, so I don't have to do any of that. Okay, and this will go into the fridge, and that is the end of that. Okay. So, see how simple that was? That was so easy. You put that Boston butt in their crock pot with them onions and peppers, you know, and I mean, you know, season it really well. That's all you gotta do, family, and you're done, okay? So until the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Thank you for all your love and support. If you mind, please hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot. And I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned. Auntie's about to put together this Brunswick stew. All right?